Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I will show you how I found an exhaust leak on my Acura TSX. First, set the car on jack stands if you don't have easy access to your exhaust. Here is my car vacuum. On one side it has the hole for the vacuum, and on the other side it has a hole for blowing air out. For this job I set the vacuum to blower mode. My car has two mufflers towards the back, so I had to completely cover one side with a rag and some exterior painter's tape. On the other tailpipe, I inserted my vacuum tube and taped the opening, but I left a small space for air to escape. Now let's turn on the vacuum and blow some air into the exhaust system. I used a spray bottle with soap and water, and I sprayed liberally in areas where the leak could be. With the exhaust pressurized with air, the exhaust leaks will make bubbles from the soap in the water. Usually you'll find the leaks around welded joints, gaskets, and flexible piping. First I started at the exhaust manifold, then the downpipe where there's a gasket, and then towards the catalytic converter. I'm looking for large bubbles. I found my leak at the flex pipe flange that meets with the catalytic converter. So now I need to get this repaired. It's a waste of time and money using exhaust putties or tapes to repair it. Here are some of the things that I've tried in the past to patch up some exhaust leaks. At best, they're temporary patches and will never be as good as a weld. It needs to be welded for a permanent repair. If you suspect you have an exhaust leak, try this method and see if it works for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.